Two grieving mothers meet at a support group and they both agree to commit murder. This is Kill for Me, Kill for You by Steve Cavanagh. This book operates on multiple different perspectives and point of views, and each one adds a completely different layer to such a compelling story once it all starts to make sense. You've got one point of view from Amanda, whose daughter was murdered. Her husband blamed himself to the point that grief consumed him and he took his own life. She wants justice. Her family and her life is destroyed. And when she figures out who her child's murderer is, she starts to stalk him because she's not getting justice from the police department. Eventually, he realizes what's happening and she gets slapped with a lawsuit. The system fails her completely and she feels like she's left with nothing. Then you have the other perspective, Wendy, who also lost her daughter, whose teacher murdered her daughter. And again, devastating circumstances, broken systems, and no justice. So these two women find themselves at a grief support group, and they make a decision that's going to completely change everything. They're going to get the justice that their families deserve. Now, it doesn't stop there. There is a third perspective in this book. There's a woman named Ruth who survived a home invasion from what they find out is a serial killer named Blue Eyes. She's the only victim of his to have survived, and you're wondering how this victim's story fits in with these two other women. It builds a whole other level of tension because in the back of your mind is Ruth's story, and you're waiting to figure out how the puzzle pieces are going to fit together. And boy, do they. Now, my favorite character in this book ends up being Detective Farrow. You've got this dark story with horrible things happening, and there's this man who you can tell is starting to age as they talk about his back and his mobility issues, and this man will not give up on any of his cold cases. And there's something that he just feels about Amanda because she has lost everything, and he genuinely looks out for her. It's just the human element that I just really gravitate towards and absolutely love that was added into this book. He's not larger than life or flashy or dramatic. He's just a generally good human being trying to do right by the people at the worst times of their life. Full transparency, it was a little bit of a slow burn at first until you really start to see what is being built in this book, but push through. Because when things start to kick up, it feels like you're watching a movie or a TV series because as things are escalating, because the ending ends up being everything. Now you figure out who Blue Eyes is and it's going to shock you when you understand what is going on in this book. However, I am rating it 4.5 out of 5 stars. It is not a 5-star read in my opinion. I know. I feel like people are going to come for me for saying that because so many people rated this 5 stars. The part of the ending, and no spoilers, when a little situation occurred on those last few pages, I just feel like we could have done more once we knew who that murderer was and how things were intertwined. I could have seen it go in a different way because I just felt like, oh, and we're done? That's it? This book got so good, you went so crazy, and then it's done. So I'm giving it 4.5 out of 5 stars. Definitely still loved it. I've already bought another book from him because I generally enjoyed the way he layered his story and then put it all together and got you at the very end. Drop your rating. Let me know in the comments what you thought about this book. Have you read it yet? Or is it also on your bookshelf like it was mine? Now, my next book is If He Had Been With Me by Laura Nowlin. This is one of the books I found on my Marshalls and TJ Maxx book haul. So I'm really excited to, one, read from a new author, and 2, actually dive into some of these books I bought. So again, let me know, have you read these books? What are your thoughts? I'm super excited to dive in and keep bringing you weekly thriller reads every single Friday.